Brooklyn Beckham is a British model and photographer. He is the oldest son of former English footballer David Beckham and English singer turned fashion designer Victoria Beckham. Brooklyn Joseph Beckham was born at the Portland Hospital in West End of London. He grew up in Madrid, Spain, while his father played for Real Madrid, and in Los Angeles, California, when his father played for LA Galaxy. According to the elder Beckham, he and his younger brothers Romeo and Cruz learned to speak Spanish fluently and had American accents while living in California. He has three younger siblings, Romeo James, Cruz David, and sister Harper Seven. His godparents are Elton John, David Furnish, and Elizabeth Hurley. Beckham previously dated American actress Chloe Grace Moretz and French model singer Sonia Ben Amer. He attended the 2016 Democratic National Convention with Moretz in support of Hillary Clinton. He also dated model Hannah Cross and is currently dating Nicola Peltz. Beckham formerly played in the Arsenal FC Academy. He left because he did not receive a scholarship by Arsenal Football Academy, who preferred two other prospects at his position. He played for Arsenal's youth team and was promoted to the under-18 team. He has written a book, What I See, which was released on June 2017, in which he has stated about photography and his personal lifestyle in depth. He has also appeared in several reality shows like Hell's Kitchen and Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards 2015. He started modeling in 2014 and has appeared in editorials and covers for Vogue China, Miss Vogue, Interview, Elle Umo Vogue, The New York Times Style Magazine, and Dazed Korea. He has been photographed by Bruce Weber, Terry Richardson, Daniel Jackson, and Alastair McLellan. Beckham himself photographed a campaign for Burberry Bridge, starring models Ben Reese, Carvel Kondua, Elijah Thomas, Liv Mason Pearson, and Maddie Demain. He is a part of a modeling trend where children of famous people and models with large social media presence are successful. He has a strong following of Chinese fans. He has been the face of Huawei Honor 8 Android phones alongside Scarlett Johansson, Karlie Kloss, and Henry Cavill. He has inherited the best of the features from his parents, is quite popular among teen girls who cannot stop drooling over this teen star. The good-looking teen has appeared in several fashion magazines and has been dubbed one of the most well-dressed in multiple lists. Like his father, Brooklyn has a love for tattoos and already has two, his latest being that of Camera.